Area is a concept we use every day, even if we don't always realize it. Simply put, area is the amount of space that covers a flat surface. Imagine laying tiles on a floor or painting a wall. What you're really figuring out is the area. The standard unit for measuring area in the International System of Units is the square meter, written as m2. This unit helps us compare and calculate spaces, whether it's a tiny notebook or a huge football field. Understanding area is essential for many real-life tasks, from home improvement to planning a garden. Knowing how to calculate area is more than just a math exercise, it's a practical skill. Architects use area to design buildings, farmers use it to plan their fields, and painters need it to estimate how much paint to buy. Even when you're buying a new rug or planning a party, understanding area helps you make better decisions. By learning the basics of area, you'll be able to solve everyday problems more efficiently and confidently. Regular shapes are those with sides and angles that are all equal or follow a specific pattern. Common regular shapes include squares, rectangles, circles, and triangles. Each of these shapes has a unique formula for calculating area, making it easy to find out how much space they cover. By mastering these formulas, you'll be able to tackle a wide range of real-world problems, from measuring land to designing art projects. Start with the square, one of the simplest regular shapes. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. To find its area, you simply multiply the length of one side by itself. This is written as side times side, or 2. For example, if each side of a square is 2 meters, the area is 2 times 2 equals 4m2. This formula is quick and easy to remember, making it useful for many everyday tasks. Rectangles are everywhere, from books to screens to rooms. A rectangle has 2 pairs of equal sides and 4 right angles. To calculate its area, multiply the length by the breadth. The formula is length times breadth, or L times B. For instance, a rectangle that is 5 meters long and 3 meters wide has an area of 5 times 3 equals 15m2. This straightforward formula helps in planning spaces and buying material. Circles are a bit different from squares and rectangles, but their area is just as easy to find with the right formula. The area of a circle is calculated using pi, special number approximately equal to 3.14, and the radius, which is the distance from the center to the edge. The formula is times radius 2, or pi, or 2. For example, if a circle has a radius of 2 meters, its area is about 3.14 times 4 equals 12.56 m2. Triangles are common in both art and engineering. To find the area of a triangle, you need to know its base and height. The formula is a half times base times height. For example, if a triangle has a base of 4 meters and a height of 3 meters, its area is a half times 4 times 3 equals 6 m2. This formula works for all types of triangles, making it a versatile tool in geometry. Let's put these formulas into action. Imagine you have 10 squares and each square has a side length of 1 meter. To find the area of one square, multiply 1m times 1m, which equals 1m2. Since there are 10 squares, multiply the area of one square by 10. So 10 times 1m2 equals 10m2. This method is simple and can be applied to any number of identical shapes. Now let's try a rectangle. Suppose the length is 12 meters and the breadth is 4 meters. To find the area, use the formula length times breadth. Multiply 12 by 4 and you get 48m2. This calculation is especially useful for planning rooms, gardens, or any rectangular space. It's a quick way to turn measurements into useful information. Calculating area isn't just for the classroom. Architects use area formulas to design floors and buildings. Farmers need to know the area of their fields to plan crops and estimate yields. Painters calculate wall area to figure out how much paint to buy. Even when you're shopping for furniture or planning a party, knowing the area helps you make smart choices. Beauty of area formulas is that they turn shapes into numbers. This means you can compare different spaces, estimate costs, and make decisions based on facts. Whether you're working with a tiny square or a large rectangle, the formulas stay the same. This consistency makes area calculations a powerful tool in both everyday life and professional work. In measuring area, it's important to use the correct unit. The SI unit for area is the square meter, written as m2. This unit is used worldwide and helps keep measurements consistent. Whether you're measuring a small table or a large field, using square meters ensures that your calculations are accurate and easy to understand. Let's quickly recap the formulas for the area of regular shapes. For a square, it's side times side. For a rectangle, it's length times breadth. For a circle, it's times radius 2. And for a triangle, it's a half times base times height. Memorizing these formulas will help you solve a wide range of problems both in school and in daily life. The best way to get comfortable with area calculations is to practice. Try measuring objects around your home or classroom and use the formulas to find their area. The more you practice, the easier it will become to recognize shapes and apply the right formula. Soon, you'll be able to estimate areas quickly and accurately. Understanding the area of regular shapes is a valuable skill that goes beyond the classroom. With just a few simple formulas, you can solve real-world problems, plan projects, and make informed decisions. Keep practicing and you'll find that calculating area becomes second nature. In future lessons, you'll learn about more complex shapes and how to break them down into regular parts for easy calculation.